1548 Mapledale in Wickcliffe, Ohio. This house is coming on the market. It's just freshly updated. 1-car garage. Nice home. Let's go inside and look at the updates and the house. It's a virtual tour. So let's look at this. This is your living room. Again, this has all been painted, plugs, switches, lights. There's brand new blinds in there. You also have newer windows, which really helps in the wintertime because that's going to insulate the house more. So those are vinyl windows, newer windows. Dining room, nice big dining room. Get all your stuff here, smoke detector, carbon detector, all nice. Nice big open kitchen, a lot of storage. You can see all the cabinets here, gas stove, and there's your refrigerator. So, and you have what's really kind of unique about this house, it has a first floor master suite. So you can see that. You can see here's the bathroom. So you basically have a suite here. This is really, really nice. This is a nice feature on this house, and it just again, it's very rare that you have a first floor master suite. This has 2 full baths in it. It's a really nice home. You do have a full basement too in this. So, but this is the bathroom here. You have nice storage there. Open. You have a tub and shower, and you have a nice sized bedroom in here. So you have that. This is all upstairs. So there's 2 bedrooms up here, and here's the other bedroom. And again, you've got those drawers for storage, closet. Nice home. Again, these homes are pretty rare. And again, you've got the carbon and smoke detector up here. That's all up here. Go downstairs here and just show you the basement real quick. The basement is a big basement, so you can do some storage there if you need to. This is this is your master suite. You can kind of come down the stairs and go out the back if you want. It's very private. But this one has also been dry locked. It's really clean down here, dry, very dry. You got glass block windows. It's a nice place. So this is in Wickcliffe, Ohio. If you're interested, come get it. It won't last long. Thanks. This is the end of the virtual tour.